Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can download your songs on Suno AI. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open up any type of browser you have on your PC. Then go to Suno.com. If you can't find Suno.com, you can just go to Google, search for Suno, and it's the first thing which will appear. Go ahead and go to Suno.com and then sign into your account. After that, you should go to Library. So if you don't have any songs to download, first of all, go ahead and create a song for yourself. There is a create option on the left hand side of your screen. So go to create your own song, write down your lyrics, style of music, title, go ahead and create a good music and it will be placed on Library. Then to download your song, you can just hover around the song over here and you can see the three dots. So go ahead and click on it and you can see download. Now, when you hover around download, there are two options, audio and video. If you want to download the audio, just go ahead and click on audio, and for video, you can click on video respectively. So, as you click on audio, in a while, you can notice that your song will be downloaded. You can go ahead and click on this profile or file explorer icon and open the file location. You can go ahead and share it with your friends and you can listen to it yourself. So, it's quite easy. Let me show it to you. Go to Suno.com, sign into your account, go to Library. After you go to Library, you can see your songs. Click on the settings, hover around the song you want to download, and then hover around download and click on audio. If you want it on MP4 version, go ahead and click on video and it will be downloaded as a MP4 file. As you can see, audio and video extensions are different over here as you downloaded it on audio and video format. I hope this video about how you can download your own music on Suno AI was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.